Hello guys, it's me again, Olive here, and for today's video, here's another general reading for you. But before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much sa mga new followers, subscribers ng aking social media accounts. Wow! Thank you everyone sa mga nagpa-book ng private readings as well. Ayun, so let's see what's the general messages for you for all zodiac signs. Pag sinabing general messages, it could be focus sa career mo, sa career or money mo, sa love mo, sa overall topics ng life mo. Ayun, let's see. Let's do a 10 card spread. Bale, 20 cards. Okay. Let's see what's the general messages for you. First card, 5 of Wands. 4 of Pentacles. The High Priestess. Ace of Cups. Some of you, while watching this video, are learning how to read tarot or into tarot. 5 of Swords. Or pwede rin, nahihilig kayo manood ng mga ganitong videos. What else? Meron din ako nakikita, maybe, ikaw ay sumasailalim or nakaka-experience ng hindi pagkakaunawaan sa iyong family or group of friends. 10 of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. 6 of Cups. 3 of Wands. 4 of Cups. Okay. So we have here, for some of you here, aside sa family conflict, friendship conflict, meron din ako nakikitang internal conflict. Maybe there's a decision na hindi mo kayang i-share sa iba, or merong decision dito na hinahayaan mo muna ang sarili mo na i-soak yung mind mo, yung decisions mo sa kung ano man yung ideas na yun. For some of you here, there is a new love, or maybe kakapasok mo lang sa isang relationship and you feel like it's not aligned sa kung ano man yung nasa utak mo, kung ano man yung ideal mo, hindi siya aligned dun sa'yo, sa kung sino man yung kinakausap mo ngayon. And for some of you here, there is a loss when it comes to career. Maybe may nag-take ka ng risk and hindi siya naging magandang outcome, kaya medyo ayun na yung lahat ng failures mo right now ay inaako mo, hindi mo siya sinishare. And for some of you here, be careful as well when it comes to, I heard like new love. Wag mo nang basta-basta magpapasok ng kung sino sa buhay mo, lalo na kung nadadala ka sa excitement, nadadala ka sa tukso, sa buyo. Alam mo yung parang tinutukso lang ng friends, and pero hindi naman talaga siya yung ideal person mo, hindi naman talaga siya pasok sa standards mo. Medyo na-pressure ka lang sa mga sinasabi ng friends mo, or maybe you feel like you're alone kasi you're the only person na single sa group ninyo. Kaya medyo nagkaroon ng pressure at napao ka, or nanligaw ka bigla, or naglandian kayo bigla. For some of you here, I can see that there is a panghihinayang sa inyong career. So, do not jump into conclusion. Kung ano man yung na-experience mong challenges when it comes to your career, do not jump into conclusion na magpalit ka kaagad-agad. or mag-resign agad-agad, lalo na kung medyo nadadala ka ng emotions mo. Clear your mind first, and kahit 3 to 1 week, observe mo muna if it's really tama bang mag-stop ka na or lumipat ka na ng career. Kasi medyo mahirap pumanap ng work these days. And for some of you here, there is also an offer when it comes to love. I can see, pero hindi ikaw yung tipo na, ayun nga, hindi ka masyadong seryoso, but then again, you just let those offer na magpo-float around you, parang may papalipad hangin, but you won't listen to it. For some of you naman, parang merong mga job offers din dito na meron namang blessings kaso nga lang medyo nagiging mapili ka. And when it comes to sharing your good news, your blessings, be careful din, especially if it's still in the process or in the making, kasi medyo merong mga disagree sa mga plans mo. But again, some people or even our family, they don't see the vision that the God gives you, you know. May nabasa ako one time, minsan hindi nila maiintindihan yung visions mo or yung dreams mo or yung mga nangyayari sa buhay mo, kasi hindi naman sila yung tipo ng tao na pinakitaan ni God kung ano yung binigay ni God sa'yo, or hindi nila nararamdaman yung excitement or fulfillment na nararamdaman mo while ginagawa yung kung ano man mong passionate ka. So better keep it to yourself first and just pray to whoever you believe in, pray to God, ano yun, just continue kung ano man yung mga ginagawa mo. So yun, this is a message for you, and if it's helped you, just comment anything, and yeah, see you, bye.